In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see how much space is left in OneDrive using the 2025 desktop browser interface. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make in the current web experience, and I'll point out what to look for so you can quickly understand how much storage you've used and how much is still available. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the OneDrive website. Any modern browser works fine here. If you use OneDrive often, it's a good idea to bookmark the page so you can get back to it quickly later. Next, sign into your Microsoft account. This is the same account you use for OneDrive, whether it's personal or provided by your organization. After you sign in, you'll land on your OneDrive homepage, where your folders and files are listed. Now, look to the top right corner of the page for the Settings gear icon. Click that gear to open the Settings menu. If the page has just loaded, give it a moment. The gear appears once the interface finishes loading. From the menu, click Options. This opens the OneDrive settings area in the browser, where you can manage preferences related to your storage and account. The page will show a navigation panel on the left. In that left sidebar, click Manage Storage. This takes you directly to the Storage section, which is where the key information lives. Here, you'll see a clear overview of your storage usage. Under the Storage Summary, you'll find exactly how much space you've used and how much free space remains. It's typically displayed both as a progress bar and as numbers, such as gigabytes or terabytes used out of your total allowance. Use this section to gauge how close you are to your limit. If the bar is nearing full, that means you're approaching your cap and may want to plan accordingly. Some accounts also show a breakdown so you can understand where space is being used at a high level. If you need additional room, you can click Get More Storage to see available upgrade options. This link opens Microsoft's upgrade page, where you can review plans and add-ons that fit your needs. Take a moment to compare the options, including total storage amounts and any extra features before deciding. That's it. You've learned how to open OneDrive on the web. Access Settings, go to Options. Enter the Manage Storage area and read the storage summary to see your used and remaining space, with the option to explore upgrades if needed. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.